As we move forward with digital marketing, we have come across influencer marketing. Influencer marketing it is a form that enables businesses to collaborate with individuals who have a following for increased brand exposure. Companies may ask a person with large following to publish social media content that promotes their product or services. People often follow individuals they trust on social media, so if they see someone they follow advertising your business, there's an inherent trust factor you can lean on to boost your conversion rate. To get along with influencer marketing, we need to understand what is sponsored content. Sponsored content, also known as native advertising, is when a brand pays to have the promotional material appear within an online platform or publication, blending seamlessly with the surrounding content. Any paid promotion is type of sponsorship. When one organization pays another to promote their content, they are providing sponsored content for their audience. For example, a growing computer manufacturer might pay a national publisher to create a list of the best computer monitors on the market. The list will include several models from the small companies. Readers will see the information as trustworthy and accurate since it's coming from a dependable third party. This is how influencer marketing works. When we move forward with influencer marketing, we need to categorize it into four different types on how it is spread amongst the social media platforms. Businesses sometimes try to reach a broader audience by enlisting social media influencers, a term for people who have achieved some level of popularity or recognition online. Social media influencers endorse a product or a service offered by a business on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, or TikTok. In exchange, the business provides them with money, free products or services, or other rewards or incentives. The three criteria are nano with 10,000 followers or fewer followers, micro with 10,000 to 100,000 followers, macro with 100,000 to 1 million followers, and mega having more than 1 million followers. The primary purpose of the brand awareness stage is to get your brand on the audience's radar through digital marketing. One of the best way is to lead them with value proposition. When you channelize your customer from awareness to interest, it means you perfectly showcased your brand and presented an extraordinary proposition that had piqued their interest. It's a job you construct on the impulse. This means more influencers sharing their stories about your product, so there's an ongoing stream of easily accessible experience and information from which your expectation can rise. Doing that will aid them in remembering you and it will keep them in top of their mind while you're waiting for them to proceed to the next stage, which is consideration. The other thing that needs to happen is in addition to optimizing the content on brand's website and making sure influencers are posting content that utilize with long tail keywords, you need to rank for not the obvious words but those which are catchy and more trustworthy for them to click on. It's essential to ensure information about your product on review sites. Influencers can submit those reviews as well. You need to have that social proof because it validates your credibility. In nutshell, to summarize this, we can understand that digital marketing through influencer marketing works as a marketing funnel. First of all, you try to create a market for a product that you're trying to sell and create a market for customers to purchase it. While they're purchasing it, you're trying to amplify their product using digital marketing, and through that, we are having influencer marketing as its core platform while they're having discussions and questioning how the product is valuable to their use, and while they're questioning you're piquing their interest and creating a trust value along with your product or brand that you're trying to sell. As the viewers grow, your hegemony increase in the market and thus your market grows exponentially through influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is absolutely a fuel or a catalyst in promoting your viewer rates or conversion rates. However, you need to be careful while using influencer marketing. Sometimes it backfires with a negative approach that can cost you a little more than you expected. For example, Snapchat regretted striking a deal with Grownish star Luke Sabat, alleging Sabat didn't uphold his end of agreement. Sabat was contracted to promote glasses made by Snapchat, Snap Spectacles, in one Instagram feed and three post stories. Snap included sued Sabat seeking $45,000 for damages to recoup the initial contractual payment and other $45,000 for the damages. Hence, you need to find the correct audience and the correct influencer to promote your product. Also, you need to make sure that you're not spreading false or incorrect information about a product or a brand that you're trying to sell in order to gain audience. Hence, you have to keep your moral boundaries and ethical lines along the way while you're trying to reach the influencers and create an exponential growth in the market. When we move forward with influencer marketing, we have understood how it works and how you can channelize your product. Now, there are some technical tools that you need to keep in mind while performing digital marketing and influencer marketing. And one such tool is BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo has a lot to offer, but its core features has two particular things that has a major impact. The first is the content insights feature. When you enter a keyword or a topic, it gives you content strategy a boost by showing you which topic are popular in any niche. This real world data gives you valuable and timely information, allowing you to craft content that delivers maximum impact. And the Find Influencers feature allows you to uncover who are the influencers and what niche they're sharing. This is valuable information when you want to amplify your content using influencer partnership. Another tool that for used for interaction and analysis of social media influencers can help you with analyzing the content. For example, when you use digital marketing, you have a data of the analysis and all the topics that might be relevant to your search. Here you can see for digital marketing, it's what does SEO stand for digital marketing. Using catchphrases such as urgent digital marketing jobs might help you gain more viewers and have a market to niche upon. Now, moving forward, we'll see a company that had benefited from influencer marketing. Colgate Palm Olive was one such company that gained a lot of followers and customers using influencer marketing. It accelerated its marketing program and had to make a greater visibility and coordination between country hubs and its agency partners. So, it implemented a system of record for influencer marketing, uniting regions, brands, and agencies on one platform for discovery, campaign management, and measurement. As a result, with streamlined workflows, data transparency, and standardized performance measurement, Colgate Palmolive's personal care brands, including Sanex, have delivered significantly better results while reducing campaign costs by 40%. Hence, we can conclude that influencer marketing creates a greater role in assessing our performance and creating better results in conclusion.